One of the very important developments is Indore city from Madhya Pradesh becomes the first city from Madhya Pradesh to get the platinum rating under the IGBC Green City. Now, IGBC is Indian Green Building Council, which is a part of the Confederation of Indian Industries. Now, this council actually rates the buildings and the cities on various parameters. They have actually awarded certificates to more than 16,000 participants. These could be cities or buildings, and the certification levels are certified silver, gold, platinum, and this Indore has been classified under the platinum rating. Now, Indore was assessed on various parameters. These include the waste management, water conservation, energy efficiency, e-governance, green spaces and city planning, and this has been brought up with the national benchmarks for environment friendly development. And as we said, these ratings are an indicator of the sustainability and the sustainable projects. So 90% of the green projects, if any, would come up with the IGBC ratings as of now, and Madhya Pradesh, Indore has come up in the category of platinum rating, considering the Green City mission, which was laid down, and then the Swachh Bharat mission, under which again Indore was laid down as one of the cleanest cities. So this has been a very important indicator, also an important topic for your upcoming examinations. These kind of topics can also be explained under case studies for your mains answer writing, specifically for topics related to urban development in GS and geography optional. So stay tuned for more updates from our side. Thanks for joining. Have a wonderful day.